You want to know the wrong way to get monetized? Use 10 cell phones or multiple browser tabs to watch your own videos over and over and over to get 4,000 hours of watch time, then go buy 1,000 subscribers from some sketchy site, all of which will ultimately lead to your channel getting deleted. Right way to get monetized. Take the 30-day YouTube challenge! Do you think you're up for it? Are you man or woman enough to accept the 30-day YouTube challenge? Well, I think that you are. Here's how the 30-day YouTube challenge works. You upload 30 sick videos every day for 1 month. You make sure each video is 12 minutes long, and then since you're making sick videos, people should watch at least half of each video, which is 6 minutes average view duration for each video. All you need is 40,000 total views across all 30 of your videos to hit 4,000 watch hours. Now that breaks down to 1,333 views per video. Is that realistic? Well, let's talk about the 80-20 rule. This is something that Matt Parr teaches in his Tube Mastery and Monetization course, and it goes like this. Usually around 80% of your views will come from only 20% of your videos. So, it's likely that most of your 40,000 views will come from only a few of your videos instead of being equally spread out among all 30 of your videos. But hey, that is fine. Views are views, watch time is watch time. And once you see what content is performing the best, you can double down on that and make more content that people want to watch. Now don't worry if you think you can't make videos that people will want to watch. Keep watching this video because I'm going to show you a surefire method on how to make super sick videos that people will be interested in. So what about subscribers? If you do it the right way, you can get around 2 to 3 subscribers for every 100 views, which equals out to a 2.5% average view to subscriber ratio. So going back to our 40,000 views, if 2.5 of those viewers subscribe, that gets you to 1,000 subscribers. Now, not gonna lie, 2.5% is kind of a high view to subscriber ratio to hit if you're a brand new YouTuber. But you've got your pal Micah Money in your corner. If you do what I'm gonna show you in this video, you can definitely hit a 2.5 view to subscriber ratio. Is this for real? Yes. If you do exactly what I'm gonna show you, this will work. But realistically, it is probably going to take you longer than 30 days because everybody screws up something when they're first starting. Even if you have the perfect blueprint to success, if you are new to the game, you are bound to make some mistakes. But the method is sound, it absolutely is possible. Tons of people in the Tube Mastery group do it all the time, and there's no reason you can't be another one of those people getting monetized in 30 days. It usually takes people outside the Tube Mastery group about a year to get monetized. But it's a wise man who learns from other people's mistakes. We share tips and secrets in the group that other people don't know about when they first start YouTube. This information will change your life, so please promise me that you are actually going to use this and take action. A lot of years worth of blood, sweat, tears, and coffee have been spilled to uncover this information, so don't take this lightly. I'm going to show you the secret sauce right now. Secret sauce number 1, upload 30 to 60 videos. It all starts here. You cannot get any views or subscribers if you don't upload, am I right? So start with creating and uploading 30 to 60 sick videos on your channel. Now you should see some traction somewhere within those 30 to 60 videos. Some of them probably won't get many views, but some of them will get views if you do everything else I'm going to show you. Hey, if you accept this 30-day challenge, drop a comment below so I can keep up with all the real ones out there and watch your journey to success. Okay, on to secret sauce number 2, upload on a consistent schedule. It would be best to upload 1 video every day for 30 days. But keep this thing realistic. You don't want to be pumping out real crappy videos just so you hit 1 video per day. Also, keep in mind that the longer it takes you to upload 30 to 60 videos, the longer it will take to get monetized. But hey, as long as you hit the goal, you shouldn't worry about how long it takes. So think of a schedule that you will be able to keep up with in the long run, but keep in mind that you should upload at least 1 video every week. Secret sauce number 3, don't just guess, model success. It rhymes and it's true. Don't just pull ideas out of thin air for what your videos will be about. Don't just guess about what niche or topic your channel should be about. Say it with me. Don't just guess, model success. Here's how to pick a niche or topic for your channel. Go to YouTube and type in video ideas for your niche. Make sure that there are at least 2 or 3 videos that have over 100,000 views. If there are, you are good to go for that niche. Keep this in mind. You want your videos to be about as good as the other videos in your niche. Go watch other successful videos in your niche and ask yourself, could I make videos like this? If you can, then you're good to go. If you can't, then consider paying someone else to make the videos for you, or learning how to up your video skills, or pick another niche. Also remember, you don't have to be the best, but aim for being pretty good at the beginning. Here's how to pick good video ideas, titles, and thumbnails. Type a video idea into YouTube search and look at what the top 5 or 10 videos are doing here. These are the most successful videos right now, so whatever they're doing is working. You should model your video ideas, titles, and thumbnails after what is already working. For example, if all the most popular videos have someone's face on the thumbnail, put your face on the thumbnail, or put someone's face on the thumbnail. Now, don't just straight up copy other people's videos and thumbnails, but take inspiration from them and include elements that you see most of the other successful videos doing in your own videos. Now, you might think that no one will watch your videos if there already are other successful videos out there, but that is not true. There's over 2.6 billion people using YouTube every month. The way it works is this: your videos will likely get recommended in the suggested feed of other successful videos in your niche. So, after someone watches one of the super successful videos, they'll have a chance to watch your video as well. If your thumbnail and title are modeled after the video they've already clicked on and watched, chances are that they'll be interested and click to watch your video too. Keep this in mind. You want your videos to provide as much value as the other videos in your niche. Go watch one of the successful videos in your niche and compare it to one of your videos, and then ask yourself, which video provides the most value to the viewer? Now, value can either be entertainment value or educational value. Also remember, you don't have to be the best, you don't have to have the most value, but aim for being pretty good and providing pretty good value at the beginning. The more value you can bring to the table, the better you will see your videos doing. Secret sauce number 4, monetize yourself. Don't wait for YouTube to monetize your channel. Monetize it yourself. You can actually make money before YouTube monetizes your channel, and here's how. First, you need to pick one of the best niches. Now, what are the best niches? Well, hey, since you watched this far into the video, I'm gonna drop one of the biggest secrets on you and tell you straight up, you should pick one of these 3 niches: health, wealth, or happiness. Not only are these the most successful niches, but people like to spend tons of money buying products in these niches. And here's the kicker. You can become an affiliate for these products, drop a link in your video description, and whenever someone clicks and buys that product, you make money. So where can you do this? Digistore24, ClickBank, and even Amazon all have tons of great products that people are buying non-stop every day. Join their affiliate program and you can start making money on the spot. You want to make some serious money? The real OGs who make the most money on YouTube do it by creating their own products and courses and selling those through their channel. You can make $100,000 a month selling your own course, no joke. That's probably something you should tackle a little bit further down the road after you've built a successful channel, but keep it in the back of your mind because it is no joke one of the best ways to make a ton of money. Secret sauce number 5, follow the rules. It might sound kind of lame, but you gotta do it. If you don't follow the rules, you might not be able to get monetized at all, even if you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Needless to say, that would be awful, so make sure you follow these rules. You cannot upload other people's videos to your channel. Now, if you want to use clips of other people's content, here's how to do it. You need to follow fair use guidelines. You can learn more about this in the Tube Mastery course, but the main thing here is to make sure that your content is what is called transformative. You have to add something unique to it that makes it transformative. You also need to have an original voiceover, and it cannot be a computer or AI voice. It needs to be a real human being doing the voiceover. Also, make sure that your content is family friendly. Don't cuss, don't show violent or disturbing images. You can read through all the rules in YouTube's monetization policy yourself, but generally speaking, if you keep it family friendly, you should have no trouble. Secret sauce number 6, follow this action checklist. All right, here we go. Make sure your niche is successful on YouTube. Search your niche and you should find other channels that are killing it. Post 30 to 60 videos. Make sure your videos model what is already working in your niche. After you post your first 30 videos, look at your analytics and then make more videos based on what has worked best for you. Monetize with affiliate products, follow YouTube's rules, keep the wheels in motion, and never give up. Now, if you want to join us in Tube Mastery and Monetization, we'd love to have you. Click the first link in the description below. There's also a link below to check out the free guide that I wrote with 8 money-making YouTube niches you can use to get millions of views without showing your face. Then check out this playlist full of great tips and tricks about how to make money on YouTube and grow your channel. Hey, I'll see you in the next video.